Just got your DasherDirect card and need to activate it? Here is the fastest way to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the DasherDirect app. Log in with your Dasher account and make sure you've updated to the latest version of the app. Step 2. Go to the Manage Card section. You'll see your physical card listed, but it won't be active yet. Tap Activate Card. Step 3. Enter your card details. Type in the digit number on the front of your DasherDirect card, plus the expiration date and CVV. This links your physical card to your account. Step 4. Verify your identity. Depending on your setup, the app might ask you for a quick security check, like a code sent to your phone email, or complete that to confirm. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. In just a few seconds, you'll get a message saying your card is now active. From this point, you can use it in ATMs, stores, or anywhere MasterCard is accepted. And that's it. Activating your card takes less than 5 minutes if you follow these steps. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.